Okay, we've got yet another parcel. The interior of the Subaru is like, it's okay, but it's not where I'd like it to be, so I'm experimenting today. And I've got this really nice shifter from Wearelikewise. Some of you may have heard of them, others may not have, but it's expensive. But I figured, because I'm kind of going through a bit of like a purple stage, we've got our purple drift button, and so I figured I want to get a purple shifter. And then at the same time, damn it, it's in the, I'll be back. Alright, so we got, come on! So I got this purple shift boot to go into the, to obviously replace the shift boot. But the problem is I didn't want to have this and then a purple shifter on top, so you got purple and purple. So I wanted to try and do something to like separate them, which is where Likewise came into play, because they had something that looked really, really nice. And then, you know, the problem is it doesn't really match the blue plastics in the car, so I've had to go and get a different color. Oh, it's multiple colors, and it's a color shift thing, like, you know, the real pearlescent kind of, I don't know what it's actually called, but you know what I mean. You get what I mean. You get what I'm going for at the moment. We've got some stickers. That's what I'm talking about. So we got extender and shifter. Shifter, knob. These should hopefully look really good on here, especially once I repaint the plastics as well. I'm going to take this old boot off, put the new one on, sand the plastics, paint the plastics, shifters on. Alrighty, so this thing looks like, could be a bit of a dick to take off, to be honest. Okay, so it looks like we've got like little tabs we've got to pull off from the bottom here. Half of this bracket's broken anyway. Alright, let's see if we can even grab these. It's going to be safe to say that most of these clips probably won't be going back on. Yeah, I don't even know if the camera will see them, but there's all these little washers here. Had to break all those off. I'm just wondering, would I need to put that bracket back in? And the other thing as well is sitting in here, it ends up with this crease that we can't really fold out of it. So I think the best thing to do is just have it sit in there. And then we'll probably like double side tape it down on the backs here. Okay. Hopefully it holds this thing. It probably won't. You know what? That looks like it's worked very well. This one slips under. Bring the shift boot down. Whoa, we could be that there might be a problem. Okay, alright. Turns out shift bit holder isn't needed. Well, we can't run it anyway. Alright, let's try this again. There we go. That's looking pretty good. So the next thing we're gonna do, take off the plastics, spray them. Alrighty, now everything just goes back together. I've already put the air vents back in. Now, I'm gonna figure out what's going where. Well, that's my doors. It helps if I put the correct one on the correct side. Sounded like it worked. Alright, I don't know how much it picks up on the camera, but yeah, as you move, it changes color slightly, so it goes from the blue to the purple, and then down the bottom here on this section particularly, you get the reflection of the purple from here as well. It looks good. I definitely prefer this over the blue because it's not so kind of like, I can't think of the word, but for some reason I'm thinking shouty. It was a very shouty interior, like it kind of yelled at you, whereas this is like very nice and subtle, but still kind of different, and it's nice. I like it. I like it. Now I just need to change the steering wheel because this thing is fucking trash. But yeah, so that's it for this one. Hopefully soon we're changing out the steering wheel. There's, you know, we kind of got the rule where you're not allowed to put in a wheel without an airbag onto a car that comes with an airbag. But I reckon just that. And I think just a nice black leather steering wheel, and then paint the actual spokes in the same as that, and that'll just really make it pop. Or get something and just do the purple. So purple to either match the boot, or just one of these purples, because it's like 3 different shades of purple, which you don't really, yeah, it doesn't really matter too much. But no, I reckon that would look good, having either a purple or the color shift. We'll have to see what happens. No idea what's coming next. It could be some work on the Mini or the Lancer, all this. I got no idea. There's just too much shit happening right now. But hopefully I'll see you guys in the next one.